It's established that AI can make music in seconds.
Yes.
Suno, Audio, and many other tools has proven that AI can generate impressive songs in seconds.
Yes.
But here's the problem. Is generating the song really the biggest challenge anymore? Because creating songs is just only the beginning.
And if you think about it, after you create a song,
Yeah.
you still need to create visuals.
Yeah.
You need to create artworks. You need to
Yeah.
create music videos. You need to even create content for your different social
Social
media platforms.
Yeah.
And this is where many AI music tools stops.
Now, what if one AI tool can actually bring all of this together in one platform?
Yes.
You know, from the song, the lyrics, the music video, and even music that creators can also fix into their videos without getting copyright claims. Now, today we are testing a tool that promises all of this.
In this video, we're going to see this AI tool. We're going to see its best features. We're going to compare it with other tools and how you can potentially make money using this tool.
Are you excited already?
We are too.
Let's jump right into the video.
Welcome back to Couple Talk Tech. I'm Betty.
Frederick here.
If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, ensure to subscribe and hit the like button so that the algorithm can share this video with more people.
The name of this tool is MusicCreator AI. We've linked it on the description and also pinned it on the comments so you can go check it out for yourself. Now, first thing, let's look at the user interface of MusicCreator AI. And first thing we noticed is the simplicity of the tool. As you can see, it's making it easier to be a music creator. And it also says you can have up to 8 minutes music 100% royalty free. Many creative AI tools can feel overwhelming because they have too many settings and complicated menus such that beginners will find it way confusing. We're going to find out for ourselves first. All right. Now, scrolling down, you're also going to see that you can generate unique music with MusicCreator. Now, you can see different music that other people have already generated. Now, we're going to just go ahead and create an account. All right. And let's see what's inside the tool.
Now, the workflow feels very beginner friendly. You don't even need to be a professional musician. You just need to tell the AI what you want it to do for you, and then you allow it to just sink into your idea.
Now, for example, we want to create an Afrobeat motivational song. All right. So we're just going to come up here. Okay, and we are going to type create an energetic Afrobeat motivational song about overcoming challenges with powerful vocals and modern African rhythm, and then we're just going to tap on create music. It takes us into the workflow. All right, where all we need to do, if you have to do any of this, or you can just go ahead and select create music. You can also see that for each music you generate, it costs just 2 credits.
Oh, that's very
all right, costs only 2 credits. So let's tap on create music here.
Dust on my shoes, I still stand tall. Carried the weight, didn't drop the car. Stone on the road, I made it a step. Took every hit, still nothing left. They say slow down, I say watch me go. I know my fire, it don't burn.
All right, I guess I'm going to be another Davido with this song. Now, I have to admit, the result was actually impressive. The AI was able to understand the mood we wanted, the beat had structure, and the vocals matched the style, and the song sounded much closer to a finished production than we expected. So I think for just the straight up music generation using just one single line of prompt, I think I can give it a B.
Right, yes. And what surprised me most was the speed. Like, it generated the song so fast. Normally, creating a song usually involves the lyrics, the producer, the vocals, the mixing, mastering, and everything. And this process can take days or even weeks. But this AI too, that was very fast.
Generating a music using one single line of prompts over here is not actually the only way you can generate music with MusicCreator. Now, one of the things I usually do is simply to, get my own script probably, or lyrics this time, probably from any AI tool, and then bring it over here.
Now, this is where things become more interesting, because today people don't just consume audio, they consume experiences, and a song without visuals may not capture their attention online. Now, let's generate an AI music video using the MusicCreator AI tool. This is the music video category. As you can currently see, MusicCreator AI is asking you what type of music video would you like to create. So we have the story music video, we have the music visualizer, photos to video, but we are going to stay on the story music video. So I'm going to tap on create, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to upload the song. Just going to upload the Rise Again music. I'm just going to just trim it right here to 1 minute. By the way, on the MusicCreator AI, you can have up to 8 minutes of your song. Now that I've uploaded the audio, which is the music, the next thing I'm going to do is to select the character that I want to use for the video. All right. There are varieties of characters here that has been provided. If you tap on more, you're going to see more characters, but I'm going to use my own self, my character. If you want to bring in your own character, what you need to do is to tap on the create button, and then you can upload your own character. The next is the style of the song. You can see that we have varieties of styles here, but we are going to be using the cinematic drama. Then after you have selected the style, you can have the option to just briefly describe what the music or the story behind the music, if you want to. Then after that, you have the resolution of the video. You have two options, either the 720 pixel or the 1080 pixel. Then after that, we have the aspect ratio of the video. So you want to choose either the 16:9 or 1:1, whichever ratio style that you want. Then we move over to the video model. So we have about 3 video model. We have clinch and see dance. Then lastly is the subtitle, the lyric subtitle. If you want your music video to have the subtitle, you can just leave this turned on. But if you don't want the subtitle, you can decide to turn it off. Now, this music video generation will cost you about 241 credits when you want to do a full generation. When you have tapped on the generation, now this is the process that the music creator go through. So first of all, it generates all of the shots for the music. It also describes how each of the shots are going to be. Then after that, you then hit continue. If you're fine with this particular shot, you hit continue, and then it goes over to the video. All right, you can decide to play each of the video just so that you can see what it looks like. If you don't like the video, you can also choose to retry so that the AI too can go ahead to do more, to give you more options. After that, once you like this, you can then tap on continue. Now this is the editing part. So now the video editor on MusicCreator AI allows you to be able to, edit the video. If there are any correction that you want to add at this point, you can see everything on the timeline. It has joined the images, the videos. It has put everything together in one piece. Now that this is completed, this is where you can then tap on to export the video and tap on start export. Now let's see what the final music video looks like.
Dust on my shoes, I still stand tall. Carried the weight, didn't drop the car. Stone on the road, I made it a step. Took every hit, still nothing left. Yeah, they said slow down, I said watch me go. I know my fire, it don't burn low. Hands on my heart, my mind on the prize. I've been in the dark, now I open my eyes. I've been bent, but I won't break. Oh, I was lost, now I find my way. One more breath, one more climb. I rise again, I rise rise one time, rise again, rise again. I rise again.
MusicCreator AI is actually packed with a lot of features for music. Remember, this is an actual wholesome music platform. It doesn't just create music or just videos, but it does a whole lot more. Now let's look at some of these features. When you come over here and tap on the more tools, you're going to see a whole lot of features, a whole lot of tools packed inside. If you come up here where it is even broken down into different categories, from the AI vocals to the music scenarios to the music compositions and a whole lot. You're not going to need any other tool for music purpose if you have the MusicCreator AI. Now moving over to how can you actually monetize this tool. Now this is not those videos or thumbnails where you see this AI tool can make you $10,000. You need to understand that AI is a tool. The value comes from what you build with it. Now inside of MusicCreator, you can make money through the following ways. First, you can decide to actually have your own AI music channels. Most times when I'm working, I just go on YouTube and find a lo-fi platform, a lo-fi channel, just play some soft background that helps me to work, right? And we just even use it to create a music, a bedtime music for our baby. All right, you can create theme music channels for relaxation, for children, for motivation, study, worship, and you can also customize music services, custom music services for birthday songs. People can contact you that they want to have a music for their friend, right? And you can just create a music for birthday, for wedding, for business jingles, and even personalized songs for your channel. Like we just created a music that we're going to keep you using for our channel. As creators, you can package music libraries as a digital product and just run promo on it and sell it. You can also create sound effects, all right, music libraries, okay, that's as a digital product, background tracks, and sell them online. The thing is, the biggest opportunity is that AI reduces the barrier to entry. You don't need a recording studio worth thousands of dollars to start creating. You just need to be creative, consistent, and have a good real marketing strategy.
Now, after testing the MusicCreator AI, we believe that this is a powerful option for creators like you who want to combine music creation with visual storytelling.
Now, don't forget that you can check out the MusicCreator AI with the link on the description. And we've also pinned another link that you can also check out on the comments, just in case you don't want to go to the description. Now, here is our rating for MusicCreator AI. Having used several other of these tools, I think we can actually rate it a 9 over 10.
Yes.
If you enjoyed this review and want to check out other videos, there are videos that should be flashing on your screen right now that you can click and learn more about different AI tools, like the video we did about how to use AI to create property walkthrough for your real estate listing. All right, and don't forget you can subscribe to Couple Talk Tech and turn on notification so you'll be informed of our new videos, and hit the like button so the algorithm can share this video with more people. With this,
thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.